Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can view page source in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply be like, let's say I'm going on YouTube, right? And I will go on PewDiePie video, like this one here. And what can I do is just right click on it, like here, and view page source, Control U. And voila, I can like find keywords he's using, etc. And okay, like you can like also inspect it if you want, or you can view simply page source. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and stuff like that. And have a great day and goodbye.